This video is brought to you by The Vampire Goes to the Dentist, available on iTunes, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Smashwords. Physical copies available on Amazon and at Radar Toys in Eugene, Oregon.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today's going to be slightly different from our normal movie reviews that we normally do. We have a knife that I bought. I held one, and I'm hoping this is the same exact one that I held because I didn't want to pay $70 for it. So I went on Amazon and paid $15. And hopefully it's the one that I held because it was freaking amazing. And I want to see Ben's face.
I haven't seen it yet, so I don't even know what he's talking about yet. So.
And then right after
I'm
this,
with you guys.
We'll go right into the nerd talk and all that good stuff because we do have a lot to talk about. Anyway, let's get. You want to tear it up?
All right.
Other side.
We got a golden envelope here. Oh. What is the thing? Probably need a knife to open the container with the knife. I mean, how are you supposed to do it if the knife's in the container?
Cheers. There you go.
And we got it open here.
Woohoo! All right, let's dig in.
We have a black box, nice and shiny, very fancy looking. And we have a black case. Black case, very also fancy looking. We open it up here and we see, interesting.
Okay, so it's not quite the knife I was expecting. And I'll tell you guys the difference.
Ooh, look at that.
It's a beast, huh?
Yeah, it is.
So the one that I was hoping for and looking for, and I might have to end up buying from this place I saw it, is about 3 times thicker up here. It's like
a cleaver.
half an inch thick on the end there. But yeah, this one is still pretty bad. This is like the smaller version of it, but it's the same brand.
Did you release that or did it fall?
I released it. Yeah, and then you.
That's neat.
Yeah. And
It's got a kind of a cleaver shape.
Yeah, it is, what is it called? It's called a cleaver, but it's a folding cleaver basically. But it's pretty bad. It's a pretty badass monster.
Yeah.
Right there.
Absolutely.
I love just how easy it is to flick out too. And the weight's really good. I mean, it's long.
I mean, it may not be as thick as the other one you saw, but it's pretty thick.
It's a monster.
A good thick knife. There's no bend in this thing.
Yeah, there's definitely not any bend. I could take this on Naked and Afraid.
Yeah.
And chop down a damn tree with it. But that's pretty cool. It's not quite what I wanted or what I was expecting. I was wanting the thicker one, but still.
This knife has a name or? Besides S-Tech? S-Tech, I believe that is.
That's what I was saying. It doesn't really have a name. It's just a folding cleaver knife.
Just a folding. I've never seen one of those before. It's quite unique. I've never quite seen a cleaver that folds like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I have my cleaver at home, and it's just a big knife in the kitchen.
Yeah. This one's pretty bad.
That is really neat.
I'll have to show you the other one. It's pretty.
It's got holes along the side here.
The case itself is like twice this size. It's
wow.
bad. It's about the same length, but 3 times as thick.
That's still pretty outrageous. I like it.
Yeah. It's not bad for $15 though, because they were wanting $50 for theirs exactly like that. So, not bad.
Yeah. That is pretty neat.
Not a bad buy. All right.
So now that we have our knife unboxing out of the way, which was pretty neat.